What's the deal, DMV Car Junkie family? Man, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. That's on me. I'm so sorry. First, I want to say, if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. We didn't fall off, but we kind of fell off, man. But I'm back to making content, man. I owe y'all that. Man, that light is good. Okay. Yeah, we back now. Anyways, man, shout out all my subscribers, man. Shout out everybody that's been rocking with me. Like I said, it's been a while since I posted a video. It's Friday, July 9th. We on the way to Carlisle, Pennsylvania for a Carlisle event. You know, I'm out here with the car club, man. And this video right here, this whole weekend gonna be one of them ones, man. Shout out that boy Tall Car Guy, man, one of them ones. Had to steal that from you, dog. But yeah, man, we out here, man. We're about to get the vlogging. And yeah, I wanted to say sorry because I haven't posted in a while, but yeah, we definitely gonna get back into it. You know what I mean? I'm out here with the gang. I'm about to walk around and give y'all a little content, show y'all what's going on. Okay, I see you, baby. All right. Yeah, but we out here. You know what I mean? That's me right there, 392, 2019.
How many people were there?
Shoot, I don't even know. I don't even know, dog. Hey, man, once again, shout out the squad, man. Unaffiliates Mopar, man. Shout out the whole unaffiliates, man. We out here. Huh? Yeah, I got you right now. The FA Green Durango thing. You know, give her a shout out on the IG, Poison IG. You know what it is, man. She represents unaffiliates too. Shout out Cali Custom Designs. Yes, sir. Already. Got that Jeep thing. You know what I mean? Where you know that wide body Jeep. Come on now. Look at that boy. Different. Look at that boy. Okay. What we got right here? We got my man. Shout out my man. SXT Chop, man.
Yes, sir.
SXT Chop, man.
Hey, we hitting hats like that?
Yes, sir. Hold that, watch it. I ain't even dropped.
That's what it is, man. Come on, let me start back over here, man. That 2021 wide body thing, man. Come on, boy, you need to put your hat back on, man. Looking like Kevin Durant out here, boy. You need to brush that head. It's all good, though. You know I gotta talk my talk. Give y'all a little lineup, man, of the squad, man. I had to stop on this one. I definitely had to stop on this one. Shout out my man, RRL EZ1. My man, Real. I don't even know if I said it right. We just gonna get it up on there. That boy rap different, man. Yeah, that boy rap different, man. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below, man. That rap different. Another one. DJ Calivoice, another one. That's that Hell Raising right there. That's probably 2021 too, wide body. Got that Durango thing. Shout out my boy, man. The founder of Positive Military Minds, man. Shout out my boy TJ, man. Look at the seats, man. I ain't gonna give y'all too much, man. Just make sure y'all follow him on the IG. It's my boy right there. Legendary status, man. Iconic 392 on IG. Shout out my boy Green Beast. Cool socks, man.
Hey, nice shoes, man.
Yeah, dog, that joint is a beast, man. Green Beast, that joint is, whoo, I'm telling you. He represent the A, though. He represent the A, but he's still unaffiliates.
I was like, I still gotta wear something today, so I put this on, but I mean, I have some more meaning inside.
Shout out my boy Chris, man. Wide by 392.
Who's that?
Boy, man. Look at that jersey, boy. That boy getting money, man. Bucks jersey, huh? Getting money. Getting money and all that. Getting money and all that. Uh-huh. Smack the back of your head one time. It's all good though. It's all good though.
Damn, bro, don't roll with you like that.
Yeah, that's that dude right there. Yeah, look at him. Boy got chicken on the stick.
Boy.
Boy got chicken on the stick.
Boy, we out here.
You know what I'm saying? Sucker
Quick little
free.
pit stop. That's all I could get. You feel me?
Would you want to shout out anything, dog? I already got your whip, man.
We just gonna shout out Sucker Free.
Sucker free.
You know what I'm saying? Stay sucker free.
Uh-huh.
But you know, shout out to the youth. We out here. We about to make some moves.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Yeah.
We drive deep.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got the whips already, you know.
Yeah, so that's how we doing it.
That's
man.
my man John right there. I showed y'all that already.
Yeah.
Yeah. We out here though, man. I'm gonna continue the video later on, man. Okay, DMV Car Junkie family. We made it to Carlisle, PA. We're here at the Carlisle event 2021, man, and it is so many vibes out here as far as the cars go. So many vibes to your old schools, to your new schools, to your pickups, to your SUVs, man. I'm gonna just walk around and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. I probably won't even get everything, but I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna definitely try to. We got vendors out here, man, so just, yeah, man, don't skip nothing in this video because you might miss something. Too many cars to really show. Good thing it's a 2-day event. Good thing it's a 2-day event. I want to hear in the comments below. Every time y'all see something y'all like, I want y'all to comment. What we got going on, man? Magnaflow. TRX, Hellcat. You know what I mean?
Oh, the store, dude, kid. Go ahead and buy it.
Got your vendors out here, man. I'm telling you, it's a vibe, man. This is my first time. Yeah, I'm trying to, man. Gotta get that content.
Is that okay?
Good to see you, man. Good to see you too.
Did you hear it?
Oh, nah. I ain't here. What you got here?
So you can clean the barrels with the wheel going. Yeah, we're off that. It's not like a car.
Make sure y'all follow him on the IG. Red Hawk SRT. My boy my sponsor would have loved this. Got their own detailing thing. Got your cylinder heads. I'm telling you, man, they got everything out here. Yeah, just looking right now. Welding helmets. Oh, look at that Viper, man. Nah, they stopped in that tent back there. They stopped in the tent. I just kept walking, man, so I get some vlogs in. I just wanted to see what all they had. I'm telling you. Got the machines to weld. Okay.
Yeah, I really want whatever day.
I'm telling you, they got a little bit of everything. Got your hot rods. For all you old school lovers, hot rods. Come on, they get you a whole engine if you want it, dog. Basically. Survive, man. Got your disc brakes, man.
Let me know what size master cylinders you already have. That way I'll know.
Come on now. They got your old schools. Man, it's too much walking around right now. I'ma definitely try to get everything for y'all, cause y'all deserve that. I'ma definitely try. But I'm just going with the flow right now. Looking for my boy. Shout out Carlisle, man. Hosting this event.
To our valued Carlisle Chrysler Nationals guests, we'd like to take this moment to share that Dodge will not be with us this weekend. While they regret that they can't be in attendance, they are eager to return to the Carlisle Fairgrounds.
Try and get a little bit of everything for y'all, man. Got a Hellcat, you know what I mean?
We thank you for
Little
being
Hemi.
part of this year's event, and we look forward to having you and Dodge back with us in 2022. Buy better and sell smarter with Awesome Joe Auctions, the digital marketplace for real motor enthusiasts. With a collection of
Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe.
buyers purchase with confidence and sellers list for free, all while enjoying industry low fees upon sale for both auction and classified.
I'm telling you, boy, it's hot.
Awesome Joe patent-pending buy confident process creates a safe and streamlined sales experience for buying and selling immediately with Messenger auctions every week. And visit Carlisle now. Don't forget to stop by Vendor Services.
Them old schools, boy. Them things hit a little different. If I got any older subscribers, man, I know y'all appreciate this. Boy, it's some type of hot. It's a lot of clean rides, man. Got your Challengers. So many of those out here, as you can see. We got another Hellcat, you know what I'm talking about? Man, shout out my boy, man. Wide body Rick, man. His first Carlisle just like mine. There he goes, the man, the myth, the legend.
What year is this one?
17.
Oh, 17? I got a 19, same thing.
It's like, you know.
They actually put on their website that at the end of the year they said, hey, what are you looking for?
That joint different.
Yeah.
So you just have to be like,
That lime green hit different, man. See over there, Pink Panther, I see you. You can just tell, man, how this is people's passion, you know, when it comes to these cars. Hey, DMV Car Junkie family, I know we just getting started, man, but I want to know what y'all think so far. You know what I mean? I always be telling you, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think so far. Stop the video, pause it. Let's say that, pause it. Give me a comment below. It's scorching out here, man. You know I had to represent. We out here in PA, but I had to represent. A lot of hot rides, man. Old schools and hot rides, man. Try and get a little bit of everything for y'all. It's too much. My chair in the car too. I need to go get that. You bought a chair?
I need to go buy a chair too.
Look, I know that joint right there. That van, type of van that is right there. That joint give you flashbacks.
Yeah, I want to flip that motherfucker.
Oh man, I know my dad would love it out here, man.
Oh look, Duke has it.
He said, "Oh look."
It's just the good old boys. Oh nah.
Hey, this is one of one. Never before. My man done turned a Dodge Dakota into a Hellcoder. Bro, I done seen it all. Oh, excuse me. I done seen it all. Hey, for my YouTube channel, go ahead and shout yourself out.
What's up? Booster Motorsports, man.
Huh?
Booster Motorsports.
Booster Motorsports,
Yes,
man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow them on the IG too.
No, I'm originally from Toronto, so usually not too far from here, but I moved out there like 2015.
What's up, DMV Car Junkie family? As always, I appreciate you tuning in, rocking with your boy. This is day 2, 2021 Mopar Carlisle event, Nationals. Yeah, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna be walking around, getting some more content, showing you all the old schools, all the new schools, and just enjoying the vibes, man. Like, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm actually under downforce, about to get a mod put on my car. It should be a good one. I had something I wanted to get done. Shout out my boy Gringo 2.0. He looked out for me. And yeah, that's what it is when you in the car club, man. Shout out the whole unaffiliates, and we just gonna get into it like that. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more when they start putting the mod on my car. Yeah, it's just a vibe, man. I'm enjoying myself. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. You know what it is, man.
I can have a concert out there. Put them out in the yard, sink all of them.
Hey, don't move, dog. Don't move. SRT King.
What's up?
SRT King. What it is, baby?
Tito.
Hey. What's up, dog? right, man. Talk to the people, man. Talk to the people. Unaffiliates, that's what you represent. Where your car at? What they doing to it? What they doing to it though? People want to know. The people want to know. Detail. What they got going on? You getting paint corrected? Everything. Full detail. What's up, Micho? What it is, baby?
You know, I'm out here.
What's the vibes like?
I'm out here with legendary Mike. The Mike, we taking over. You know what I'm saying? Getting some good work done.
Getting some real fine work done. What's up, baby? What's up, shorty? What you drive? What you drive, man?
TRX, man.
TRX?
You know that.
We gotta go see that.
You know the bike. You know the bike.
We gotta go see that.
For YouTube, man. I'm not. It's like, you know.
They're gonna chop it and edit it. You know what I mean? I'm not going live right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it back to the hill.
Shout out my boy, man, TJ. Positive Military Minds. Follow him on the IG, _RT. He represent the YouTube.
Hey, Junkie.
Yo, holla at your boy.
I see you doing your thing.
Holla at your boy. Holla at your boy, man.
Getting the vlog going?
Yeah, you know, a little vlog, chopping at it. You know what I mean? We're going to chop it in. I'm just going with the flow.
All right, well, edit this part, because I'm about to go over there, get me a grown man, drink this soda, and then we're going to head up to the top of the hill where the Rango's at.
Minutes, we're going to have open autocross runs back on the track.
It's that Dukes of Hazzards. Let me know what y'all think about that, man. If you know, you know.
Will be going on. If you like the best seat in the house,
Got a few of them.
as they parade around the room.
For the kids, I can't play on phone.
Pick your favorite yet?
So many vibes, man. Like I told you yesterday, you got from your old school to your new school. You know what I mean? This is one of them type of places you can bring your grandfather, your dad. You know what I mean? Even stuff for our generation.
No, it don't. That's an aftermarket balancer. It's got a weight molded under the back. I did it to prove the point.
That's that Vin Diesel. '69 Charger. '69 Charger back there, boys. What's up, champ? No, they did not. Wow. Wowzers. Wowzers, big guy.
Can I get a sweet? Pay them or them, and then we'll serve you out.
Yo, this is kind of an idea of what's out here. How many cars is actually out here? And this is not even, I would say, a third of it. Because you got the other side of the hill over there. Over on that side. But you could just see like the vibes out here, man. So many people, so many cars. Carlisle's 2021.
Don't let up, dog.
Who is on? You calling me calling? Good. On 3. Hold on, slow down, man. 1, 2, 3. Man, we about to wrap day 2 up. 2021 Nationals Carlisle. Got my boy right there. 6-speed. You know what it is. Challenger. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a few more of my peoples and we out, man. There's too many people out here. Man, I wish I would have brought my dad. I know he would have loved these old schools. I didn't know he would have loved these old schools. Next year, Pops, you coming with me, though. Man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Let me hear some in the comments. Let me hear about some of the whips y'all feeling in the comments below. Let's get these. I see you, baby. Let's get this video some likes. Female driven. Got everything out here, man. To your Rams, to your Jeeps, to your 300s, to your Plymouths. I seen some Dodge Darts. You know what I mean? I just see some Neons. You know what I mean? You can even see some John Deere's out here. They keep it clean though. What's up, my boy? Get back in your way. We about to slide. Huh? Nah, you waiting on Chris. He was waiting on you. I waiting on he said he was waiting on you and then oh damn, my bad. Huh? Oh, see, nah. That ain't going down. My boy done pulled up in there. What's that? 2021 you said, right? 2021 tank player. The 2021 thing player. You know? Hey, dog. I was telling them earlier on my channel, one thing I can say I like about this Jonah is, bro, you can get a lot of ideas moving forward about what you can do. Yeah, bro, because their imagination out this show. There go Ricky right there. I'm out, dog. I told him that's what I was waiting on. I know you gotta wait for.
I call you.
Yeah. That's a fact. That's a fact. It's a wrap to all my subscribers, man. I wish I could have got a lot more, but man, it was too hot. Too many cars, man. So many old schools, man. It's like my whole thing is, I know I wasn't born when these came out, but it's like, how could you not like the old schools if you drive a new school? You gotta have appreciation for the old school first before you can say you love the new school, you know what I mean? Gotta understand the culture, brother. Understand the culture, man. And there's a lot of things out here, like, let's listen to that, man. Song he's about to cut off. That's a wrap, man. We up out of here. Second day complete.